believe in him should not perish, but because Jesus got up. It means that every one of us that's in Jesus can be confident that when they roll us down this aisle in a casket, that is not the end. And that's why the Bible